How to make a team selector in Fortnite. Go to the search bar right here and type in creative. Press enter and just wait for a second. There you go, the first one. I'm gonna click that, click select and play. Now that you're here, run towards the temperate island. Once you're here, you want to go to the developer mode. If you don't know the shortcut, go to the settings. I'm going to creative. You want to find creative phone toggle and bind it to whatever key you want. Now that you're here, you want to press M, go to mode, select the teams, the team size, the maximum amount of players that can play, friendly fire, whichever options you want to select them. Now go to content, go to the devices, and in search type in class, and here class selector will pop up. I'll select it, click 1, and just escape out of there. Click 1, and there you go. There's your class selector. Place them wherever you want, and to edit them, simply click E, and here you can choose the color, the class. If you want to specify the class of the specific class selector, you can choose the colors. And there you go. That's how to make a class selector in Fortnite. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.